God. Alright, and sweetener. Okay, the water is boiled. So I'm gonna put the water in the mug. Just like that without putting myself. Right. Down. And then I add milk. I add milk to it. And then lastly I put sweetener. Sweetener. That. Oh yeah, and earlier I did finish my pie and my noodles. I finished it. It was a struggle. It was a struggle for me to finish my noodles, but I eventually finished it. Yeah, I finished my noodles. So now I have no more noodles left. I have to get some more on Monday. So Dad, I'm getting noodles. Let's put this away. I'm gonna put the milk away a bit later. And then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put this in the microwave for about 30 seconds. 30 seconds. So it goes in the microwave. And guys, there it is right there. That's the hot chocolate in the microwave. Squeeze it 30 seconds and start. And there it is right there. Good enough. I'll tell you the end result freezing. Okay, I'll just put the milk away. So, like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, smash that like button, follow me on Facebook, Twitter, and on TikTok. Also, like and subscribe to the Wiggles second YouTube channel, which is the Wiggles Legacy. Smash that like button on us and follow us on Facebook, Twitter, TikTok, and Instagram. Here's the results of the hot chocolate. Nice and hot. Also, I'd use, so kids, like and subscribe to the children's YouTube channel. Click that like button and turn on your post notifications to get Marcus videos and Marcus playlists. And then I had this little, what do you call it, chocolate shaker to here. I think the other way. Oh, okay, let's do this. Yeah, also like and subscribe to from the past YouTube channel. Click that like button and stay tuned for more videos and more playlists. Also, like and subscribe to my cooking and baking YouTube channel. Hit that like button and turn on your post notifications to get more videos and more playlists of my cooking and baking. I'll say a little bit. Cooking and baking. What else? Oh yeah, and be on the lookout for more surprises coming your way. I could put this in sync. Okay, I'll watch that. Also, yes, there are 3 more YouTube channels coming soon, so be surprised. In that case, can you point your fingers and keep on wiggling? Peace.